Your life is short, terrifyingly short, and sometimes can be unpredictable. Assuming you get to live to the age of 80, that's just 4,000 weeks. If you were to imagine what an 80-year-old life looks like, it would look something like this, where each circle represents 1 year. Think about this. If you're going to be 40 this year, crossing off 40 of these circles, these are years gone that you can never have back. And here's what you see is left. The blank circles represent the years that are left of your life. Scary, right? This is a wake-up call. Don't let your life pass you by. As the Chinese philosopher Confucius once said, we have 2 lives. The second begins when we realize we only have one. In the next 7 chapters, you'll learn impactful approaches to make your time count. These are deep insights that can help you make the most of every moment in your life, and to help you understand that it's not just about how long you live, but about the quality of your existence. Chapter 1, Fear Setting. Fear wears many masks, and identifying these masks is your first step to mastering it. Think about the opportunities you've missed due to fear, the business you never started, the studies you've been putting off, and now you're stuck, still stuck in a state of stagnation. This is the fear-driven inertia. It's not just a mental block, it's a natural response hardwired into our brains. Here's the science. Your brain responds more strongly to personal experiences than to facts and figures, prioritizing negative information. Your brain constantly exaggerates minor risk. Most people give up on starting a business due to others' experiences of failure in their startups. This fear can hold you back. Repeating this thought pattern reinforces fear-based pathways. These pathways run on a cue routine reward loop. When you feel a cue of fear, you often go into routines to cope with that fear, which leads to a reward, less stress. This is the trap of fear-based routines. But you can hack this system. Gain knowledge about the object of your fear. Identify worst-case scenarios and develop strategies to overcome them. Each approach challenges fear and turns it into actionable insights. Here's the biggest cognitive bias. We constantly overestimate risk, but massively underestimate potential success. This is why people don't reach their full potential. Chapter 2, Priority Management. Most people get caught up in the hustle and bustle of life, and before they know it, days turn into weeks, weeks into months, and months into years. Here's a powerful tool, the retirement test. Think about yourself at 60 years old, looking back. Will you cherish the memories of late nights at the office or the laughter shared with loved ones? Suddenly, priorities become crystal clear. I'll finish this show first. Meanwhile, life's real priorities slip away. Here's what successful people do. Focusing their efforts on high-impact activities and removing low-impact activities. It's the Pareto principle. Write down everything you want to achieve. Now tick the top 2 items. Eliminate everything else. This helps fix productive procrastination, where you tend to get busy doing a bunch of different things as a means to procrastinate on your most important task. Here's a secret to using productive procrastination to your advantage. When you're avoiding a task, channel that energy into learning something new. Your procrastination project often reveals your maximum capacity. Don't wait until everything is important to take action. Chapter 3, Building Meaningful Relationships. Looking back, most people wish they had spent more quality time with loved ones. You're often tricked into thinking you have all the time in the world and that they'll always be there. Remember when you were a kid? Time seemed endless. You explored new places, tried new things, and spent time with loved ones. Think back to your childhood summers. They seemed to stretch on forever, didn't they? But as an adult, you become acutely aware of how quickly time is passing and how nothing stays the same forever. Here's the harsh reality. Our parents are aging, and their time with us is limited. Our children are growing up at lightning speed, becoming increasingly independent, and the relationships we have with them can become distant. This is the relationship ripple effect. Relationships are like gardens. Every small interaction is either a flower that blooms or wilts. Just like the saying goes, the grass is greener where you water it. Each kind word, flower that blooms, ignored needs, flowers that wilt. Water your garden. I don't get why they're upset. I spent the whole weekend with them. But did you? Were you actually there? That's the problem. People don't want your time as much as they want your energy and presence. Here's the catch. Live in the moment, not on your phone. Experience over possession, people over distraction. Meanwhile, casual acquaintances are like windows to new worlds. They open doors to new opportunities and experiences. Don't neglect them. Chapter 4. Health and Wellness. Imagine waking up every morning 10 times wiser, 10 times stronger, and 10 times better. Here's the truth. Your physical health is the catalyst for growth in every other aspect of your life. Every other aspect of your life either improves or suffers based on your health. Your energy levels are like the Wi-Fi signal of your life. When it's strong, everything runs smoothly. When it's weak, everything slows down. Sleep is a waste of time. Wrong mindset. Sleep is a powerful recharge. It isn't just rest. It's like hitting the refresh button on your computer. Without it, your decision-making skills suffer. Here's something nobody talks about. Your willpower and determination are at their highest right when you wake up and gradually lower as the day goes on. Want a life hack? Begin your day with 10 push-ups, a quick walk, and 5 to 10 minutes of stretching. These simple activities increase your mental capacity for handling stress. So next time you wake up, don't start your day by checking your email or drinking coffee. Get up and immediately start moving. Chapter 5. Mental Frameworks. Mental frameworks are theories that help us understand and make sense of the world around us. You're quick to ditch the sugar if you need to squeeze into a dress for a special event, but how much do you take your daily mental happiness into account? Here's a powerful tool: positive thinking. It's not a magic solution that makes problems disappear, but it helps you focus on the good that can come from every situation. The best way to change any negative feelings is to counteract them with a positive one. Think about the mental framework of inversion. Instead of asking, "How can I succeed?" ask, "How can I fail?" By avoiding failure, success will come. Chapter 6. Financial Intelligence. Financial literacy is about living intentionally. It's not about having a fat bank account. It's about the freedom to live life on your own terms. Want to be financially free? Give people value. Solve real-world problems. Here's the truth. When you give people what they want, you become successful. And when you innovate and solve people's problems, you become wealthy. Would you rather make money in your sleep or trade hours for dollars? Your actual hourly rate includes everything you've sacrificed for. Unfortunately, most people misunderstand this. They prioritize short-term gains over long-term values. Smart people rent objects and prioritize long-term experiences. Why? Because long-term gains appreciate in value, short-term gains usually don't. Chapter 7. Career and Success. You want to earn more? You must learn more. Do you want to be more? You must do more. Successful people are continually seeking out new information and opportunities. Your best career opportunities are often one step outside your comfort zone. I'd rather stick to what I know, but comfort is a success prison. The magic you're looking for is often in the work you're avoiding. You need to be comfortable being uncomfortable. Here's a common career mistake: optimizing for money too early. Optimize for learning and developing new skills. Here's a powerful tool: the 5 buckets of life. Filling the first 2 buckets guarantees long-term stability in life and automatically fills the next 3 buckets. Remember, money follows knowledge and skills. Every new piece of knowledge and skill you acquire is like buying a lottery ticket for future opportunities. Conclusion. In this moment you're watching this video, this is the youngest you'll ever be in your entire life. Every principle we've covered works together to create a life worth living. Remember, time will pass whether you use it wisely or not. You don't get extra time. You don't get a second take. Make your hours count. Start small. Pick one concept that inspired you, test it, refine it, and make it your own. The best time to start living fully is now.